Yeah, hello. Welcome back, students. Let's go through another level of question, another type of question. Okay. So here's the question in front of you. It's a balance sheet of Prem and Company and Rajan Company. And together, after amalgamation, it is going to be known as the new name of the company would be Prem Rajan Company. Okay. After amalgamation. Okay. Next, coming on to now, if you look into this, here are assets of both the companies. This is the capital account. This is the general reserve, which you will distribute between partners in their PSR. Then you have creditors and you have bills payable as well. Okay, they mutually agreed to amalgamate business from 1st April. Now, the terms of amalgamation are as premises and computers will go at what do you call it, revised value. Okay, so premises and computers, fine. Then furniture was not taken over by the new firm. Clearly bola hai. Okay, so when you are calculating PC, furniture will not come into picture. Okay, then reserve of 5% is to be created on data. So here's my data, and this will be at the revised value. Okay, then goodwill was valued at 10,000 and 15,000. Okay, respectively. Fine. Then they want you to assume that other assets and liabilities of the old firm were at book value. Even if this assumption is not there, you have to consider the same in absence of information. Okay, show necessary accounts in the books of both the firms, and also they expect you to make a balance sheet of the new firm after amalgamation. Okay, so let's move on to, yeah, so obviously first thing that you're going to calculate is your PC calculation. Okay, the first and the foremost thing that you'll be calculating is PC. So how are you supposed to calculate your PC part? Now let's try and understand that. Okay, so here's a list. So when you're calculating the PC, you it is but obvious that you're going to consider assets and, yeah, your liabilities. Correct? Yeah. Assets, your total assets minus your current liabilities. Okay. So while understanding this, just a minute. Yeah. I'll take you the part of PC calculation. So the idea is what? It is total assets minus total liabilities. Okay. And whenever you are calculating your PC, as I said earlier, you have to also take into consideration the total column of your, yeah, PC, because that will help you to prepare your balance sheet. The new firm ka balance sheet will be also taken into consideration. Okay, so let me load this. So till then, yeah, don't forget. Yeah, okay, there's some time it's taking for loading. Here it is in front of us. Let's consider this. So this is the theoretical part that we are already done with. So this is that part. Please make a note of this. So here's your calculation of PC. Okay, so let me just consider. Yeah, it can be a part of your what do you call working note as well. That is the calculation part of PC. Yeah. So when you're calculating PC, what are the things that you're going to consider? See, as I said, you are going to make टू फर्म्स का या कैलकुलेशन ऑफ पीसी, और फिर ये रहा, दिस इज द टोटल कॉलम. दिस टोटल कॉलम इज नथिंग बट द न्यू फर्म्स नेम. Okay, that's what I was telling. You do have to prepare the total column. Okay, yeah, this is what I meant. The total. Okay, so these are your list of assets. Wherever RV is mentioned, it means revised value, the value which is given in the adjustment. And wherever BV is written, that means it's the book value. That means the value given in the balance sheet. Okay, so yeah, furniture will not come into picture because furniture के बारे में बोला है कि it is not taken over by the new firm. Okay, so this will be my total of assets, this will be my total of liabilities. One thing students, ये जो RDD है, या ये आप अलग से भी कैलकुलेट कर सकते हो ऑन डेटस. Okay, 6,000 and 14,000 like this, or you can even show it like this. अगर आपको RDD नहीं लिखना है लाइबिलिटी में, तो आप एक और काम कर सकते हो, और वो क्या है, that in case you are calculating your datas, you write your datas, then you write your RV, and you know what you have to do? This 600 less 5%. Okay, that means you can directly write your 5,700. This 14,000 minus 700. So you can directly take your 13,300. Okay, is this clear? This is also one of the way of solving datas, or you can show it separately. You can show RDD in liability, or you can directly show the revised value of your datas. Okay, in both the cases, yeah, the PC calculation will not change. The final answer of PC will not change. Okay, so I hope it's clear to everyone about PC, whatever I said. Okay, so this is how you will calculate your PC. Okay, so that is your total assets minus total liabilities. Okay, so the one which is given in the adjustment is the revised value, and the one which is given in the balance sheet is the book value. Okay, so this is how you calculate your PC. Now, also you have to note down these things, that, yeah, in absence of information, in case when the PSR is not given, you have to assume it to be a equal PSR. And for furniture, you can note it down that when it is not taken over by the new firm, means furniture is taken over by the old firms in their PSR. Okay, so this is what you have to remember. Okay, फर्नीचर नॉट टेकन ओवर बोला है ना बुक में, इधर क्लियरली बोला है दैट फर्नीचर इज नॉट टेकन ओवर. ओके, सो आइदर, या, सो यू, इफ यू गिव अ नोट फॉर इट, वेल एंड गुड. इधर क्लियरली बोला है furniture not taken over by new firm. So if it is not taken over by new firm, that means it is definitely taken over by the old firm, by the partners in their PSR. Okay, so I hope this part is very much clear to everyone. Okay, fine. And then the flow will remain the same. क्या है flow? Flow ये है कि you have to prepare your what you called the other accounts. That is both the firms में आपको आपका account बनाना है in the books of both the firms. That is your old firms जिसकी मैं बात कर रही हूँ. Okay, प्रेम एंड कंपनी और राज एंड कंपनी, दोनों के ओल्ड फर्म्स में बनेगा ऑब्वियसली. करेक्ट. ओके, दोनों के ओल्ड फॉर्म्स में बनेगा. और दूसरी बात ये है, दोनों के ओल्ड फॉर्म्स में क्या बनेगा, उनका रियलाइजेशन अकाउंट बनेगा, पार्टनर्स कैपिटल अकाउंट बनेगा. या, just a minute. Let me just increase the size. Okay, let's understand this. We'll be using this. So you can simultaneously prepare the realizations account for both the partners together. I mean both the partnership firms together. Yeah, that you can do like this. So that you can see the comparison. This is Prem Raj and Company and this is Raj and Company. Both are partners. बराबर? तो आप ये साइमल्टेनियसली डाल सकते हो. देखो इसके एसेट्स आपने ट्रांसफर किए एट बुक वैल्यू और यहाँ भी आपने एसेट्स ट्रांसफर किए एट बुक वैल्यू. ओके, सो ये दोनों में ये फर्स्ट स्टेप रहेगा. I repeat, in both the cases, the first step will be transferring your assets at book value, and the second step will be transferring your liabilities at book value in both the cases. Okay, yeah. And the third step obviously would be transferring, you're calculating your PC. Okay, yeah. Putting your PC calculation will be the third step here. Okay, yeah. और फिर या पार्टनर्स फर्नीचर लेके जा रहे हैं. करेक्ट, वो हमने अजम्पशन किया था. सो दैट विल बी योर फोर्थ पार्ट. ओके, यू आर ऑल्सो फर्नीचर टेकन ओवर बाय ओल्ड पार्टनर्स. ठीक है, तो ये 4 स्टेप्स दोनों में कॉमन है, तो आप साइमल्टेनियसली ये कर सकते हो व्हेन यू आर प्रिपेयरिंग द लेजर, द रियलाइजेशन अकाउंट फॉर बोथ. ओके, या, एंड देन yeah, you are closing the partner's capital account in their PSR. Okay, so yeah, that will be your balancing figure. And this balancing figure you have to divide between both the partners in their PSR, equal PSR, I mean to say. Okay, in which PSR? In their equal PSRs. Okay, equal PSR. Okay, so I hope this part is clear to everyone. Yeah, it is common in both. Okay, here also see there is a balancing figure and you are dividing it in their equal PSR. Okay, so step number 1, transferring sundry assets at book value. Step 2, transferring liabilities at book value. Step 3, recording your PC due. Step 4 would be the assumption that we took that the furniture of the partners, will be divided in their PSR. Okay, and then you have to close your realization account in both the cases. The realization account will close first. Okay, once this is done, you get a clear view of it. Okay, yeah. I hope this till here it's clear to everyone. This was your PC calculation, and I have been always saying always calculate this. It would be easier for you to make your balance sheet of the new form. Okay, and then you will be making your partners capital and the new firm account. Okay, so again the same thing, I will show you a preview of both together so that you understand it better. Okay, second is what you are going to make is your partners capital account and the new firm account. It should be together. If you make it simultaneously, it will save your time also. Okay, so this is the second thing that you will be making, that is the partners capital account. And third, you will be making the new firm account, which obviously has to tally. Okay. So this is the opening balance of the partners. Okay. Yeah. Then, as I said, that general reserves should be distributed. The general reserve was there only in the second firm. So you're distributing it equally. यहाँ पे कोई general reserve नहीं था. Okay. Then आपका profit balance, PSR वाला, जो कि पार्टनर्स कैपिटल अकाउंट से मिला था, ये वाला, ये इधर ट्रांसफर होगा. फिर या ये वाला बैलेंस 9650, ये भी इधर पार्टनर्स कैपिटल में ट्रांसफर होगा, प्रॉफिट ऑन रियलाइजेशन. ठीक है. या एंड देन that furniture taken over by partners, the assumption that we had made. Okay, uska second effect. You have to, yeah, in absence of information, it will be distributed. Yeah. Okay. So what are you doing first? You are first transferring your opening balance. Then if there is any reserve, then you are transferring your profit on realization. You are transferring your furniture ka second effect. And then you have to close this ledger. This will be your PC received. Jiska second effect you will be transferring here. Okay, the second effect is seen here of this. Okay, फिर हमने जो realization due का entry डाला था, right? उसका second effect इधर आएगा. Okay, your see this this PC वाला 29,700 का second effect is here. Okay, it's here. And when you close this ledger, obviously it has to tally. It will tally. Similarly, same here. Opening balance first, then PSR second, profit on realization, second effect, then furniture distribute taken over by partners, and then the balancing figure, which जिसका second effect इधर है. Okay. Yeah. Okay. So this is your, yeah. I hope this part is also clear to everyone. और फिर आपका आएगा, yes, the most important part. And what is that? Your it is about your last part, the balance sheet. Yes, in the books of new firm, the balance sheet. Okay, I told you to make the total column and then copy the figures here. Yeah, it is absolutely that. When you close your partner's capital, these are the balances that you got. Okay, yeah. And ये जो बाकी का figures है ये आपको PC calculation के total column से मिलेगा. Okay, let's understand हमारा PC calculation total column was how much? Yeah, I told you to make this column, right? This one. So this column ka, yeah, it will be reflected there. Okay, that's why I said to make that column. It will ease your job. You just have to copy the figures there. Okay, so this is your balance sheet after amalgamation. Okay. डेटर्स का तो मैंने बोला ही है, आप ऐसे दिखा सकते हो या आप डायरेक्टली 19,000 जो आपको वहां से मिलेगा पीसी कैलकुलेशन से डायरेक्टली दिखा सकते हो. नेट डेटर सीधा बाहर 19, या तो इसको ऐसे बाइफरकेट करके दिखा सकते हो. ओके, आंसर विल नॉट चेंज ऑब्वियसली. सो दैट्स 10 प्लस 12 प्लस 25 प्लस 17 plus 19 plus 9,000. 92,000, and the other side also you should get same 14,850 plus 14,850 plus 25,650 plus 19,650 plus 9 plus 8 is 17,000. Okay, obviously this has to tally. Okay, so I hope this part is clear to everyone. Okay, there's no big rocket science behind it. Those simple steps you have to follow. I'll just repeat in a nutshell. We are calculating first PC. Then in both the firms, we make realization account. Okay. Then we make partners capital account. Then we make new firm का account. Okay. और ये सब होने के बाद हम न्यू बैलेंस शीट बनाते हैं after amalgamation. Okay. So this is the common step that we do. Okay. So let's end over here and let's meet with the next question next time. Till then, happy learning.